Hello, curly kitties. Let's do fun.
Suvi, why is the fire dancing like that?
Perhaps it's happy to see us, Karya.
I think you are right. I know fire is hot, but what is it actually?
Oh, Karya, it's not just a flame. It's the world's most exclusive microscopic dance party. To start this party, you need 3 guests.
Fuel, oxygen, and heat.
If one leaves, the music stops and the party is over.
So, the wood is the snack table.
Exactly! That's the fuel. When the heat starts the music, these atoms get so excited they break their hugs. They turn from solid wood into hot, invisible gases.
Wait, so they aren't solid anymore. They're flying.
When they find oxygen in the air, they give a giant air hug. That crash creates the light and heat we see.
Look at them go. It's like golden sparkles.
See the blue dancers at the bottom? They are the fastest and hottest. The yellow ones at the top are glowing soot, tiny bits of fuel having one last dance before they turn into smoke.
So, the blue ones, the leaders of the dance.
And because hot air is light, it zooms up an invisible elevator. That's why a flame always points to the stars like a wizard's hat.
Whoa! The paper is floating. It really is an elevator. Why is it round in space, Suvi?
In space, there's no up, so the dance party stays in a perfect circle.
No way! It's a blue marble.
Remember, Karya, these dancers have spicy toes. We watch the magic from the VIP seats, a safe distance away.
Spicy toes? I'll stay back, I promise. Best party ever. Thank you, Suvi. Thank you for watching, Suvi Kids. Let's do learn fun more.